Hello, everybody. My name is Leah Eversole, and I am a health IT degree here at Miami. I am a junior now. I'm in my third year here. My hometown is Franklin, Ohio, and some of my interests are ice skating and dancing. And an interesting fact about me, I just became a third degree black belt in Taekwondo. I love my dog Dallas. He's the cutest thing you'll ever see. And I would love to work in the hospital someday with my health IT degree. And a dream job of mine would be to work as a paramedic in the military. Yeah, that's a little bit about me. I can't wait to work with you this semester, and I hope we learn lots about assurance and security. Bye bye for now.